Supply.io review. Is this the best way to advertise with AI? Supply.io is promoted as the AI ad platform, designed to let anyone, brands, agencies, or creators launch and optimize cross-platform ad campaigns instantly. Its tools include AI-generated ad copy and creatives, automated A&B testing, budget optimizations, schedulings of the social, smart reporting, and even the white labeling options for agencies. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, it offers a full-stack AI-powered ad platform. It is affordable for newcomers. It offers a single dashboard for multi-platform campaigns. It has a strong trust and legitimacy signals, and they have a positive agency and brand testimonials. The cons is though, there are some technical bugs and instabilities. It also lacks the advanced campaign features. There are some support delays and integration headaches, and they have a generic creatives. So overall, Fly.io seems to be a legitimate, powerful AI advertising tool, especially useful for small businesses or agencies wanting fast, low-effort ad campaigns across multiple platforms with AI creatives, analytics, and the white label options. However, it may fall short for more complex marketing strategies.